Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Xiaomi and Redmi phones' automatic volume up and down problem. So let's start the video. Many users are facing this problem, and it starts automatically without any reason. To fix this problem, there are three methods. I'll guide you step by step to resolve this problem. So the first method is, open your phone settings. Then scroll down. Here you'll see the option of Apps. Click on it. Then click on Manage Apps. Now click on Search Bar and search System Launcher. Now click on it. So what you have to do, you have to clear all data of this app. Simply just click on Clear Data at the bottom, then Clear All Data, then OK. By doing this, hope so your problem will be solved. This was the first method. Now, second method, open your settings again, then scroll down. Here you'll see the option of Additional Settings. Click on it, then click on Accessibility. Now click on Hearing, and from here you have to enable this option, Mono Audio. By doing this, hope so your problem will be solved. This was the second method. Now third method. In third method, what you have to do, you have to hold volume up and volume down button together for 2 minutes. Just hold volume up and down button for 2 minutes, and after that, hope so your problem will be solved. So these are the three methods to fix Xiaomi and Redmi phones' automatic volume up and down problem. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.